Good day, accounting buddies. Let's talk about cash equivalents. First, what are cash equivalents? Cash equivalents are short-term, highly liquid investments that are readily convertible into known amounts of cash and have an insignificant risk of changes in value. These include short-term commercial papers, money market instruments, trust funds, treasury bills, time deposits, and redeemable preference shares. For an investment to qualify as a cash equivalent, it must have a maturity date of 3 months or less from the date of acquisition. To give you examples, take a closer look. Here, a 90-day certificate of deposit, which was acquired December 15, 2025, and has a maturity date of March 14, 2026. Also, a 360 days commercial paper, which was acquired November 30, 2025, and has a maturity date of January 10, 2026. And lastly, a BDO time deposit, which was acquired August 26, 2025 and has a maturity date of October 31, 2025. Lahat sila pasok sa 3-month rule from acquisition date to maturity date. For more accounting videos, follow me at Facebook or subscribe at my YouTube channel, Makhar Accounting Buddy, your Filipino accounting buddy. Come, let's study.